The #1 ingredient for anything to taste good is hunger. So good. Ever come home from work and you just want to eat something healthy, super easy, fast, and delicious, preferably you made, rather than spending money and buying dinners? A lot of the recipes I do in this channel, some take a little bit of time, some don't. This is one that doesn't, and I cheat by using something that's gonna help me save some time, not be so unhealthy, because I do prefer to eat healthy, but it has to taste good. Flavor first. And I got Miss Frankie with me. Frankie! Hanging out. So join me and Frankie on this episode. You hungry? So a lot of people ask me what I feed Frankie. She's been on a plant-based diet now for 4 or 5 months. And before that, we were doing lots of research. Here in the UK, there's this brand called Omni. Every day she gets frozen peas or frozen veg. Okay, go. She loves it. This is an extra firm. And then I got regular firm, and I accidentally cut the side of it. So for the super fast, I'm using black pepper, and then I bought this at the store. It's just a sage and garlic onion seasoning. I'm just gonna add a lot. The second one, I'm gonna try something different. Get a whole one, you get the other whole one. So this one's got this cuts in it. Olive oil. Preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit on fan convection. 4 potatoes. Just covering these with water. 1 onion. That bowl had that extra seasoning in it, so I'm just using that. Now you don't have to add this, but I do enjoy the taste of sherry, and it's a little bit. A couple shots. I'm just adding a couple of spoonfuls of the water that's boiling the potatoes. I'm going to lower the heat to the onion, medium low. You can see potatoes are just starting to boil, so I'm going to get a strainer. Now notice I didn't add any salt to the potatoes and water yet, because we're going to use that same water as flavor for the gravy, onion gravy, and I don't want to salt it too much. You'll see. Potatoes have been boiling for 1 minute. I'm going to shut that heat off. I'm going to add the water back to that pot. Add the potatoes to the bowl. Potato water, broccoli. That's 1 head of broccoli chopped up. Turn the heat on this for just a couple minutes. Broccoli doesn't take too long. I have some Dijon. 1, 2 tablespoons of Dijon. A little bit of olive oil. Some black pepper. Pinch of salt. It's almost the consistency of like a potato salad right now. Alright, so you can see what the tofu looks like so far. Flip this one. It's looking good. And the potatoes. And then back in the oven. Broccoli. Our onions. They're looking good. Smells delicious. Broccoli. That same bowl, I had the mustard in that I tossed the potatoes in. Alright, so here in the UK, everybody tells me to get this for an instant gravy. It's vegan, accidentally, and it's called Beasto. This is not an ad by them anyway. It's not usually a fan of instant things, but when you're in a pinch, I'm just gonna add a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Now, as it comes up to a boil, it'll start thickening a lot more and a lot faster. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on it for a minute. Gorgeous girl. I'm just gonna heat that on low. Gravy's looking great. You can tell this isn't done yet, but potatoes are cooked. They're getting brown, crispy edges. Slide these to the side a little bit. And then this is going back in the oven for another 10 minutes. We got the gravy done. We got the rest of the meal in the oven, one pot. I'm just gonna clean up quick and then dinner will be done. I know I'm gonna have some left over for the next few days. I wish all this experience could just infuse into me so I would be able to convey and express what I want to give as far as cooking goes, because I feel like there's so much to give and I just want to give what I know. Oh, thank you. Give me that. Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna pull everything out of the oven. Alright, so it all looks amazing. It smells great. So I'm gonna have enough here for some meals. Look at that. Amazing. Roasted whole tofu with a Dijon roasted potato, broccoli, onion, sherry gravy. Okay, still have some on my chin. It's delicious. So this meal is a great weeknight meal. Plus, I got these extra meals out of it for like 30 minutes-ish. I make a delicious, really filling dinner. And 3 extra meals, whether it's for lunch, breakfast, dinner, tomorrow night, whatever I want. You can't go wrong. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You've been such a good girl. For more wicked easy, amazing veg-forward meals, check out these videos.